Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of PSLE Math Secrets Review. In today's episode, we are going to explore a question on fractions that is gaining popularity in recent years. So without further much ado, I hope you stay all the way till the end and we will discover the solution together. But for now, let's do a quick dive into the question. James used 1/4 of his money to buy 3 pencil cases and 7 keychains. And it's mentioned that each pencil case costs 3 times the price of each keychain, and he bought some more keychains with 5 out of 6 of his remaining money. And as a result, he spent $30.40 more on all the keychains as compared to all the pencil cases. So the question is asking us, how much was the cost of one keychain? So a question like this, very simple. You can choose to draw a model, but I personally prefer branching because it's much faster and it gets me the answer much quicker. Alright, so how do we branch? We start off with total. So total at the top. And we move on to 3 pencil cases and 7 keychains. Okay, let me just try to write it out properly. So 3 pencil cases, 7 keychains. And after that, we are referring to the remainder. Okay, so remainder. And out of the remainder, he bought some more keychains. Okay, some more keychains. And finally, this all leads us to the leftover. So the total, we'll put down 4 units because that's the denominator 4. As for the 3 pencil cases and the 7 keychains, that will be 1 unit. And the remainder will be 3 units. And it's mentioned that he bought some more keychains with 5 out of 6 of his remaining money. And this 6, right, represents total, remainder, which means the total units from the remainder, and the numerator 5 goes to the keychains. And having done all of that, I will need to change the remainder from 3 to 6. And to achieve that, I will multiply that by 2 to everything in my branch, which means now my total is 8 units. My 3 pencil cases and 7 keychains will be 2 units. And my remainder will be 6 units. And having done that, the extra keychains will be 5 units and the left must be 1 unit. So we will do a quick check for our branching. The 3 pencil cases and 7 keychains will be 2 units. The remainder itself will be 6 units. And 2 plus 6 leads us to 8. And 5 plus 1 gives us 6. And from there, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 1, I will get 8. And now they are asking us, he spent $30.40 more on the keychains as compared to all the pencil cases. So how are we going to resolve that? Alright, so to begin with, we have to start with the second sentence, the part about each pencil case costing 3 times that of the keychain. So what the question wants us to be able to decipher is that if I do not buy one pencil case, it will be the same as spending the same amount of money on 3 keychains. So the price of one pencil case matches that of 3 keychains. And if that is the case, this person bought 3 pencil cases. And that will be 3 keychains multiplied by 3. Leads us to 9 keychains. And as we know it, this James actually spent 2 units Okay, 2 units on a total of 3 pencil cases, 7 keychains, and we have already changed the price, or rather we have changed the symbol from that means 3 pencil cases, right, to 9 keychains. So 2 units, he didn't just spend it on 3 pencil cases and 7 keychains. In order for us to solve this question, we have to make sure that we only have 1 unknown, because currently when we have 2 unknowns, the pencil cases and keychains, it's not possible for us to get to the final answer. So if 2 units is the same amount on 3 pencil cases and 7 keychains, this will also mean that 2 units will be spent on 9 keychains with another 7 keychains, a total of 16 keychains. Alright, so if 2 units of James' money is spent on 16 keychains, this would mean that 1 unit of his money must be spent on 8 keychains. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And when this happens, and we know from the question that James actually spent 5 out of 6 of his remaining money on some more keychains, and in our branch itself it's very clear that 5 units of his money was spent on additional keychains. So if 1 unit is the same price of 8 keychains, this will mean that 5 units of James' money must be 8 keychains multiplied by 5, and this will get us to 40 keychains. So back to the question again. They say that this James spent $30.40 more on all the keychains than on all the pencil cases. So if we talk about all the keychains, he bought a total of 47 keychains, because 40 keychains plus 7 keychains leads us to 47 keychains. And since he bought 3 pencil cases and the price of each pencil case is the same as 3 keychains, this would mean that James actually bought, if he didn't buy the 3 pencil cases, right, he could actually bought 9 keychains. So if I were to take 47 keychains, the price on all the keychains, subtract away 9 keychains, which is the price that he spent on the 3 pencil cases, this will be the same as 38 keychains. And the price of 38 keychains is none other than $30.40. So with that being the case, the price of 1 keychain will just be $30.40 divided by 38. And if I do that, my answer, it will be 80 cents. Alright? So having done that, I have actually found the answer. So you have been trying this question together with me at home. Did you manage to get the same answer as well? I hope you did. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video or got anything out of it whatsoever, please hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. And also comment below. Let us know where you guys are tuning from. That's always good to know. And finally, if you are new to this channel and you haven't already, remember, hit the subscribe, hit the notifications button. There's a little bell sign, by the way. Because this year we are committed to making weekly videos to hold you accountable and to make this your best year in mathematics. But for now, this is Teacher Ray signing off. Bye bye.